After years of dominating the streaming scene, Spotify is facing a serious challenge from Apple Music, and it's all about control. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Smart playlists give Apple Music the edge no other service can match. Users can now create playlists that automatically select 5-star tracks from favorite artists, discover hidden gems, or rotate recent releases, all while avoiding repeats for months. Spotify's algorithmic recommendations? Not even close. Apple Music is best at blending local libraries with cloud streaming. Ripped or purchased tracks integrate seamlessly with the streaming catalog, which means quitting the subscription doesn't mean losing access to favorite tunes. Ads are gone, playlists remain intact, and music ownership stays in the user's hands. The platform has also shred off past limitations. No longer restricted to Apple devices, Apple Music can now work as Windows app and a web player too. The cluttered iTunes era is over. Music is now music, podcasts and TV shows are separate, and the interface focuses entirely on listening. For anyone frustrated with random Spotify recommendations or seeking more control over their music, Apple Music offers flexibility. Its smart playlists, seamless local file integration, and cross-platform availability make it a serious competitor for listeners who value both ownership and discovery. Apple Music isn't just catching up, it's redefining what a music streaming service should be. Are you planning to switch? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.